In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay on Amazon using PayPal. So if you want to buy products using your PayPal account, well, there's no way to actually do this on the Amazon website itself, but there is actually kind of a workaround method that we can use that will let us buy products using PayPal. So to do this, you need to head over to a website called GameCardDelivery.com. Now, there's plenty of websites you can use to do this. This is just one example of a website. So all we need to do is click on gift cards in the top navigation and select Amazon gift cards. And then all we need to do is purchase the Amazon gift card for the amount that we want to spend on Amazon. So say, for example, your product is $60. Then you would go ahead and check out with one of these $10 and $50 Amazon gift cards. So if I click on buy now on any of these products, you can see underneath the payment methods that PayPal is accepted here. So once you've added your gift cards, press proceed to checkout, and then you'll just need to fill out all of your information here. Make sure to enter the correct email address, as this is where the gift card will be emailed to. So once you've entered your details, just click on PayPal checkout, and that's going to take you over to the PayPal screen where we'll be able to pay for this transaction. Now, once you've checked out and your Amazon gift card has been emailed to you, then you need to head back over to the Amazon website, select the product that you want to purchase, and on the payment window, we're going to click on the pay with option. And then from here, you'll be able to enter your gift card or promotional code. So this will be the number that's already been emailed to you when you purchase the Amazon gift card. And then you can just apply the code at the checkout like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you can pay for Amazon products using PayPal. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.